Okay, I decided to make this quick video to show you how to remove the rear cooling fan from Bmw Ccc unit out of 2004-2009. What happens is this fan gets broken during shipment. You can see this is already broken, so we don't want that. And to remove it, all you need to do, you should see this small lever. All you do is just pull it like this and turn it. See? The thing came out. You put it back in, the same exact procedure. You put it and turn it. It's not very convenient to do it, so basically just turn it that way and it locks in place. Sorry, it's not. So basically you got the idea. So basically turn it clockwise, it will unlock it. Counterclockwise, it will lock it. And this small pin, it will lock in this here, and it will stay locked. That's it. That's what I wanted to show you, because it's very important, and we see it damaged really often, and people get upset about it because, you know, it's $80 part and you have to order it from the dealer, and it's a pain. All right, okay, just don't forget to remove it.